What hidden ways can old records resurface after expungement? Imagine thinking a fresh start is yours after having a criminal record erased, only to find old information popping up unexpectedly. That can be frustrating, but it's more common than you might think. Even after a record has been expunged, certain situations can cause it to resurface. Let's explore how that can happen and what you should watch out for. First, background checks are a big factor. Most employers or landlords run standard checks that usually don't show expunged records because they are removed from public access. But federal agencies like the Federal Bureau of Investigation can still access those records. That's because expungement often only clears state or local databases, not federal ones. So, if a background check is done by the FBI, your old record might still appear. Law enforcement and court officials also keep access to these records for official purposes, meaning they are not completely gone from all databases. Next, information on the internet can be a sneaky way old records resurface. News articles, online arrest logs, or third-party record websites might still display details about past charges or convictions. Even if the record is expunged, these online traces can remain as accessible through simple searches. This can affect your reputation or job prospects, especially if the information is outdated or incorrect. Another way old records can come back is during future arrests or legal issues. If you are involved in a new case, law enforcement databases might flag your previous record, even if it was expunged. This can happen when officers run background checks during investigations or arrests. The system might link your past record to your current case, revealing information you thought was hidden. Partial or incomplete expungements are also a concern. Sometimes only certain charges or arrests are removed, while others stay on the record. This can cause confusion if someone accesses your record and sees information that you believed was erased. Different jurisdictions have different rules about what can be expunged, and mistakes or delays in updating records can lead to old information showing up unexpectedly. Lastly, personal or private records can still exist outside official databases. Copies of arrest or conviction records might be stored in your personal files, employer records, or private agencies that don't automatically update after an expungement. You might need to proactively request these organizations to remove or correct their records. From a criminal defense perspective, it's important to understand that expungement offers significant relief but doesn't guarantee complete invisibility. Clients should be aware that federal background checks, online searches, or future legal proceedings could still reveal old records. Strategies include monitoring background checks, requesting removal of online information, and clarifying the scope of expungement in their jurisdiction. Working with a legal professional can help ensure proper procedures are followed and reduce the chances of surprises. Being informed about these hidden ways old records can resurface helps you better protect your rights and opportunities after expungement.